National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 8 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Marionette Park to Linwood, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Hammond, Gary, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, East Chicago, Lansing, Blue Island, Munster, Dolton, Alsip, Midlothian, Chatham, Linwood, Posen, Whiting, Burnham, Harvey, South Holland, and Evergreen Park. This includes Purdue University, Calumet, and South Suburban College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.